What is the best way to make passive income? Man, do I get this question a lot. Hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and save. Hey, I get this question a lot about passive income. I don't think people really understand passive income is, I guess you could say, maybe the definition of it is where you're doing the least amount of work to earn the money, which in a way I say that's not true because you're doing all the work up front. Because all of us, including you who are watching this, you want to make passive income. I want to make passive income, and everybody else wants to make passive. We want to put the work up front to where we're making money while we're sleeping. Because remember, you're not making money until you're making money while you're asleep. When you can get up in the morning and you look at your email and it says, "Congratulations, you've earned a commission," that's passive income as far as in my opinion, because you've done all the work, you're asleep, and you're making money. That's when you know that you got passive income, is when you get up in the morning and you check your email and you see where it says, "Congratulations, you just earned a commission." That's what everybody wants to see. That's what all of us affiliate marketers want to see. And that's what you want to see, because I know, because that's why you're watching this. So if you want, I'm sure you've seen videos where people promising you 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000 a month. Well, first of all, don't believe all that. It's possible, but you got to put the work in. And if you're going for those low ticket items, like stuff that's on Amazon, then it's going to take a lot of sales in order to do it. You might as well find something that you can sell for 1,000 or 2,000, like maybe a cruise, maybe, some tickets. You want to sell some big stuff to where your commission, you don't have to sell as many in order to get whatever goal it is you're trying to reach. You may be just trying to reach a couple. You could be this could be a side hustle, and you may just want to do a few hundred, or maybe you're a stay-home mom and you're trying to maybe turn this into a business once you turn it into a side hustle. Because that's usually the way everybody starts. They start off, just trying to make a little extra money. Then they realize, hey, you can really make good money doing this. If I just put a little more time and effort into it, then I can turn it into a business. And that's where all of us end up. We turn this into a business. We wave goodbye to our 9-to-5, and now I'm working out of my house. So think about it. Passive income, I'm sure you're going to hear this word a lot on the internet, but it's basically money that you've already done the work for. A lot of, there's a definition, it depends on who you look at, it's basically money that you've earned doing the minimum amount of work. Well, to me, like I said, I don't think that's true, because you put all the work up front. But passive income, you can do passive income from a lot of things. You can sell crypto. You can have rental property, where, like investment property. It could be like a business type investment, or it could be like houses that you rent out. That's big money. That's income you get every month for basically with a minimum amount of effort. That's what I'm saying. You can do vending machines, car washes, coin laundry machines. There's a lot of stuff that you can make passive income doing, out there. They take just a minimum amount of work in order to get the money. My favorite is the one that I like to do in the most, because I can do it from right here, and that's affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you're promoting other people's products. You don't have to worry about shipping, customer service, or returns. You sign up for whatever program it is, because most of these big box stores, Amazon, Walmart, wherever you shop, consistently, I guarantee you they got a affiliate program. All you have to do is go down to the bottom, Nike, if you like Nike, Under Armour, you just go down to the bottom of their website, look for something that says become a partner, become affiliate, and sign up. If they accept your application, which is usually just maybe a page, then they'll give you a link, a special link. Then you just start promoting it. But now here's the kicker. How do you promote it? Are you going to just throw it out there and hope somebody, buys something? Or are you going to spam people and send it, to your friends and all that? Look, there's a right way and a wrong way to do everything. Affiliate marketing is no different, So if you want to learn the right way about how to do it, on how to set up your email campaign, how to set up a funnel, how to run ads without being banned on social media, we got you. We can help you with all that. We can show you the ins and outs. We got guys and gals who's been doing this for years, who are already making 6 and 7 figures, who are already making passive income. Now they want to teach. They done got that part in their life to where they want to give back. And this is where, this affiliate marketing community really pays off, because, you got all these people who've been doing it. They can show you the ins and outs, show you what works, what doesn't work, what to just completely void altogether, because it's just a waste of time and money. That's what you want. You want to be able to learn and make money at the same time. If your goal is, passive income, well then, basically you're going to put the work up front, then look for those emails saying you got a commission. But in order to do it, you need to know how, and like I said, there's many different ways to make passive income. If you're an investor, whether it's stocks, bonds, if you want to do day trading, real estate's really good. It's a little high right now. I think a little overpriced for my taste right at the moment. So, but I think it's getting ready to come down. Really, I think it's going to crash myself, but, let's wait and see what happens. Then, there's different types of real estate. You can do the stuff where you're doing business stuff, like you're renting it out to businesses, or you can just rent out this property for people to rent, to live in. And that's where I'm at. That's what I like. It's least amount of trouble, other than dealing with renters. That's the only problem. Then you got the vending machines, like I said before. Then you got, you can get them for a couple grand. All you got to do is Google it and pick some up. I wouldn't go with the cheapest one. I would go middle grade. Then you can always go to the big box stores like Sam's, Costco, Walmart, and get your stuff. If you run into some of those guys like Little Debbie and stuff like that at the grocery store who are stocking the stuff, most of them are contractors. And you can say, hey, why don't I just buy my stuff from you at the same, because they buy it. Then they mark it up and put it on the shelf. A lot of them. A lot of those people who puts that stuff out, they're just contractors. They have to buy it from, whoever, Little Debbie or whoever, whatever it is they're putting out. So if you run into them and you got a vending machine, talk to them. Take a few minutes and say, hey, are you a contractor with these people? Can I buy it from you at the same price, maybe a little bit more, that's in between where you buy it at Costco and where you buy it, there, you come out with a little bit better deal, I promise. So check that out if you're into the vending machines. Then you got coin laundry. Everybody's got to have clean clothes. So a lot of people who stay in apartments, they may or may not have hookups, or they got to share the community one, which, nobody, it may take a while to do laundry. But anyways, you want to look at that kind of stuff. You want to be a day trader. There's a lot of different ways is what I'm trying to get to make passive income. Not necessarily the way I do it, but to me, it's the best way as far as, doing it online, because you can start your own. It's your own business. You can start off as a side hustle, like 99% of us, then turn it into a legit business to where you're doing it full time. You know, and that's what you want. You want to be able to do it full time. You want to be able to make the money, you know, but don't get caught up in, you know, the word passive income. Passive, you know, a lot of people throw that out there, but it's just money. It's stuff that it's the work you've already done. Now now you're doing just the minimum amount of work to maintain it. That's all. That's really, in a nutshell, what it is. And but don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and save. And I'll see you next week.